This online program really gives the opportunity for students to come together, form a Peabody network, which they'll have for life, and think together about how to improve multilingual learning. We have 3 certificates that students will earn upon graduation of the master's program. The first certificate is TESOL, Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages, where students will develop teaching skills, curriculum design skills. The second certificate is Transformative Educator Leadership for Language Learning, and in that, students will develop the skills to become instructional coaches, facilitate professional development, lead and design language learning programs. And then the third certificate is Improving Learning Through Applied Research, and that is developing skills focused on research that actually has an impact in teaching and learning processes. We structured this program with a lot of purpose. Each 7-week class will build upon the next 7-week class, so students will have a complementary learning experience throughout the program. Our faculty are actually leaders in the field. A lot of us go to elementary and secondary schools every week. We're working with after-school programs, and we've published research in all of these areas as well. We're not just thinking theoretically, we're thinking about the actual real-world impact of the ideas that we come up with. When students graduate, even though they have 3 distinct areas of expertise with the 3 certificates, they will have a cohesive and coherent view of how to increase their impact for students in the future.